Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the BCD number system, that is called binary coded decimal number system. So here the first question is why the BCD number system is invented. Okay, so because of whenever you want to implement any electronic system or computer system, then you have to enter some numbers or you have to see some numbers in that electronic system. Okay, so normally the people cannot understand the hexadecimal number system, and suppose you want to measure the weight of particular material, then we go or we want to purchase some material from the shops. Then what we do, we go into the shop, okay, we ask for the particular material like rice weight, okay, and that shopkeeper puts that particular material as per your demand on the digital weighing machine. Okay, so that digital weighing machine shows you the weight in decimal number system, that is 0 to 9 digits are only there. Okay, but that digital weighing machine doesn't show you the A to F digits in the weight. Okay, so that is alphabets. Okay, so here A to F, these are the alphabets used in hexadecimal number system. Okay, so actually the electronic system or the microprocessor works in binary. Okay, so to show that particular number in decimal number system, the BCD number system is used, okay, for the further calculation. So from the hexadecimal number system, that particular number is first converted into BCD1. Okay, BCD1, and after that we are able to see that particular value in decimal number system. Okay, so that is the use of BCD in electronic system or any microprocessor system. So let us see the difference between the BCD and regular our binary number system. Okay, so let us understand with the help of one example. So consider that we have the value 12 in decimal. Okay, so how to show this value into binary? So you can have the simple logic, that is 8421 logic. So in 8421 logic, you can directly you can directly make the positions ones as per your the number required. So here we want the 12, that means 8 plus 4 1, and remaining bits should be made as 0 0. So this in 8421 number system we can have 1100, but in binary number system we can have the same value. Okay, so 8421 number system is different and regular binary is different. Okay, so suppose I want to represent value 33. Okay, then how can you represent in binary? So in binary this number is not cannot be fit in this range. Okay, so that's why we just go on multiplying these numbers. Okay, so 1 2 4 8 16 32 and so on. Okay, so to calculate this 33 value in binary, what we do, we make this bit 1 and this bit 1. Okay, and all other bits should be made as 0 0, so that this number is 33 in binary. Okay, but if you want to represent the same decimal value into BCD number system, then what we do, the method is very simple. We take the binary 8421 code of individual digits of decimal number system. Okay, so consider that I want to represent value 12 into BCD format, then it is straightforward. You don't have to calculate any summation or like this. Okay, so just take the 8421 code of individual digits. So 8421 code of 1 and 8421 code of 2. Okay, so in BCD it will become 0001 and 2 means 0010. So this is our 1 and this is our 2. Okay, so it is straightforward. There is no any extra calculation like this. Okay, we have to simply write the 8421 code of 4-bit code of the individual digits. So similarly, if you want to represent 33 decimal 33 into BCD1, then you just write the individual 8421 code of 3 and 3. Okay, so here 0011 0011. So this is our 3 and this is also 3. So this is in BCD number system. Okay, so it's very simple to understand. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see how to perform the BCD addition, and in the next video also we are going to perform the BCD subtraction. Thank you.